Good morning students, welcome back to saradamathschannel, and this is the continuation video of the trigonometric ratios up to transformations most IMP math questions. Okay, let us start the class. The first problem, prove that cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 5 pi by 20 into cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20 is equals to 1. The most important math question, very important question, most frequently repeating question. Okay, this is given. We have to show that this product value is equal to 1. Okay, so for that, first here I am taking the LHS. LHS is equals to, so what is given here? Cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 5 pi by 20 into cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20. So this is given. You have to take the simplification to this one to get the required answer. Okay. Now in the next step, I don't change the values first and second terms. I am not changing these two values. This is cot pi by 20 and the second one is cot 3 pi by 20. At the third term, just cancel the number here. So this becomes cot pi by 4. Okay. At the third one, the number is cancelled here. It becomes cot pi by 4. And I am taking the fourth angle as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20. So after doing the LCM, what you get? 20 LCM. So this is cancelled by 10 times. 10 pi minus 3 pi is equals to 7 pi. So after taking the simplification of this angle, you will get the same answer, 7 pi by 20. Without changing the value, I converted that value like that. And similarly, I am writing the last angle as pi by 2 minus pi by 10. When you take the LCM, pi by 2 minus pi by 20. When you take the LCM, then you will get the value 9 pi by 20. Okay. Now this is equals to cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into what is the value of the cot pi by 4? This is equals to 1. This is cot 90 minus theta. The angle of the cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. And this is also cot 90 minus theta, that is tan theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta, tan theta. Cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20, tan 3 pi by 20. When we have the pi by 2 here, then the cot becomes tan here. Directly we take these two values, tan theta. Okay. And this is equals to, what is the cot reciprocal tan? So I am writing this value as 1 by tan. 1 by tan pi by 20. This is also 1 by tan 3 pi by 20 into this is tan 3 pi by 20 into the last one tan pi by 20. Now here the four terms are cancelled, tan pi by 20, tan pi by 20, tan 3 pi by 20, tan 3 pi by 20. So it becomes only 1 and that is equals to RHS. That's all. That is the answer. Very easy question. Simply converting the last two values in terms of the first and second angle. Okay, and clearly the last term numbers are cancelled and directly you get the value pi by 4. So in place of cot pi by 4, we substitute 1 and taking the simplification of the remaining 4 terms, you will get the answer. Very easy question, but very important question. Understand all of you? So this is the answer. Okay, see the next problem. Prove that cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 into cot 4 pi by 16 into cot 5 pi by 16 into cot 6 pi by 16 into cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. The same procedure, same logic. Here also, we have to show that this value is equals to 1. For that, first I am taking the LHS here. Cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 into cot 4 pi by 16 into cot 5 pi by 16 into cot 6 pi by 16 into cot 7 pi by 16. Okay. So first here I am taking the LHS. Always remember that when we have the answer 1 and this is the cot function, then simply convert the last three values. Just to see the middle value, just check the middle value. After the middle value, you have to change all the angles. Okay. After the middle value, you have to change all the angles in terms of the first three angles. Very easy logic. cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 by 16. No change the first three values. The first three values are not changed here. At the middle term, cut the angle. That is, this becomes cot pi by 4. Okay. The first three terms are not changed here. Change the angle of this term. That is, cut the number here. Now, how to convert this to simple logic? The first one is cot pi by 2 minus, take this one, 3 pi by 16. Okay. Next one, cot pi by 2 into, take the second angle, pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Okay. Next, the last one is equals to cot pi by 2 minus first angle. Just to take the first three angles in the reverse order. Okay. This one is cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. This one is cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. This one is cot pi by 2 minus 5 by 16. After taking the simplification, you get this angle 7 pi by 16, and this becomes 6 pi by 16, and this becomes 5 pi by 16. Okay. Now this is equals to cot pi by 16. I am writing this cot as 1 by tan. 1 by tan pi by 16. This is a reciprocal of the tan function. And I am taking this one as 1 by tan 2 pi by 16. I am taking this one as 1 by tan 3 pi by 16. Before the middle value, change the three functions in terms of tan theta. And cot pi by 2 is equals to 1. And here directly we get the tan functions. Cot 90 minus theta, that is tan theta. So this becomes tan 3 pi by 16. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. So this becomes tan 2 pi by 16. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. So this becomes tan pi by 16. Now the three terms are cancelled by the three terms, and this becomes only 1, and that is equals to RHS. That's all. That is the answer. But these two questions are of the same model, but very, very important questions. Most IMP questions, most frequently repeating questions. Okay. Therefore, the answer of cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, cot 4 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16, cot 6 pi by 16 into cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. That's all. This is the answer. Very easy question. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, so the next problem. This is also most important question, most frequently repeating question. If sin alpha plus cosecant alpha is equals to 2, then find the value of the sin power n alpha plus cosecant power n alpha. So this equation is given, this condition is given, we have to find this value. So first I am writing the first given condition. What is given here? Sin alpha plus cosecant alpha is equals to 2. So first I am finding the sin alpha value by using this condition and substituting that value in the given question to get the remaining answer. Okay, that is the procedure. That is to get the answer. That is the procedure. So in the first step, at the first step, I am writing this cosecant alpha as 1 by sin alpha. Okay, cosecant is reciprocal of the sine function. So I am taking that is equals to 1 by sin. Now doing the LCM, sin square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha is equals to 2. That implies taking the cross product. So this is sin square alpha plus 1 is equals to 2 sin alpha. Now writing this value to this side, so this becomes sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. Now see here, this is in the form of the a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is nothing but the expansion of sin alpha minus 1 whole square. Just do the expansion to this one, then what you get? A square sin square alpha minus 2ab minus 2 sin alpha plus b square plus 1. That is, we get the value here sin alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of the sin alpha is equals to 1. Okay, this is the value of the sin alpha. Then what is the cosecant alpha value? Cosecant alpha is equal to 1 by sin alpha. That's the reciprocal of the sine function. That is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. That is, the value of the sin alpha is equals to 1 and cosecant alpha is equals to 1. So we get these two values. But what is the given question? We want this value. Therefore finding that one. So the value of the sin power n alpha plus cosecant power n alpha is equals to sin alpha value 1 power n plus cosecant alpha value 1 power n. That is 1 power n is equals to 1 power n is equals to 1, that is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of the sine power n alpha plus cosecant power n alpha is equal to 2. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? So these are the most IMP 2 marks questions, and I will continue the remaining sums in the next video. Okay.